The story of Redoro starts way back in 1895, when the Salvagno family founded their olive mill in Grazzana, a small village just north of Verona, giving it the name Redoro. They were already experts in the harvesting of olive trees, and the construction of the mill allowed them to control the entire production process from tree to oil. Over its 125-year history, the company has passed from generation to generation, growing through investment in the most innovative technology in olive oil production, and through expanding the distribution of its products, not just here in Italy, but around the world. The territory in which the company is located plays a fundamental role in this process, as it is the terrain, the climate, and typical cultivars like Grignano and Faverolles that give our olive oil its unique aroma and taste. We are in Verona, in the north of Italy, a short 2-hour drive from Austria, and the northernmost point in the world where the olive tree is cultivated. In fact, the large majority of olive production takes place in hotter, more arid climates, in southern Italian regions like Puglia and Calabria, or in Mediterranean countries like Spain, Portugal, Greece, and North Africa. In this hilly terrain instead, where we have a milder climate, with hot days and cool evenings, our olive trees thrive, allowing the olives to mature over a slower period of time compared to more arid climates, giving us an oil that has an intense aroma of fresh olives with a delicate almondy taste that is just the right balance between pepperiness and bitterness. Redoro is well aware of the importance that the territory plays in the quality of its products, and has dedicated itself to giving back by doing all that it can to guarantee the preservation of this territory and environment for future generations. From the installation of solar panels on the olive mill to the recycling of the byproducts of production, the company has implemented and continues to implement systems whose goal is to have a zero net impact on the environment. Throughout its history, the company has never lost sight of the importance of the authenticity of its products. Today, we have an army of more than 1,000 farmers who collaborate closely with us in the care for the olive trees throughout the year, from trimming during the winter through the spring and summer months when the trees begin to flower and pollinate, giving life to the olives that, in late autumn, are harvested, milled, and pressed. When the olives have reached the proper level of maturation, these collaborators will begin extending their nets below those trees that they have tediously cared for throughout the year, collecting exclusively by hand to ensure that only the healthiest, freshest olives are delivered to the mill. They work tirelessly during the day to collect the olives, which are transported immediately to the mill, where they are processed within 24 hours to ensure only the highest quality. Respect for tradition, respect for the environment, and respect for authenticity are the principles that have guided Redoro in all aspects of its business throughout the generations. These are the principles that have guaranteed for more than 100 years the unmistakable quality that distinguishes all Redoro 100% Italian extra virgin olive oils. Thank you for your time and for your attention, and arrivederci.